Static and manual. Back at it again, huh? Looking cute. But yeah, guys, here's the motor. Finally got it back. Just got everything back yesterday. Ported 40 over. Painted it black. It's looking clean. There we go. Ported heads. My springs are in already. Got a little surprise. I got rid of the first cam I got. Custom from All Out Tuning. Just wait on that. It's gonna chop for sure. I'm gonna start working on this tomorrow with my god brother. Alright guys, so that's how it's looking. I'm sure that's not mine. But yeah, it's coming out pretty clean. Ignore the background, they're calling about some parts. I'm gonna try to record as much as I can, but this is the process so far. This is what we have done. Next, we're gonna start messing with the harness. See if there's any wires split or anything. And I'll try to update as much as I can. Here's the wiring for the harness. I'll tape it up a little bit, make it look nice. Still gotta, just went for a quick auto zone run. Alright guys, so the swap is finally happening. It's crunch time. See those fat nalgas right there? Shout out to my brother. Look at it. Alright guys, so this isn't the finished product. Ran into some issues with my little friend right here. Oh, shit, my bad. Ran into some issues with that. Hopefully it's gonna get resolved. We're gonna fix it this coming week. Right now we're pretty much gonna put everything to the point where we just need to get the harness working. But like I said, it's gonna get fixed for sure. Sorry about the chop noises in the background, but I'll put a little update. We still gotta install the headers. We still gotta put the cold air intake and, you know, everything else, the E-fans, you name it, the alternator and all that shit. But I'll make a video right now and I'll keep you guys posted. There's a little update, headers. Got the spark plugs and wires on. Pretty clean. rest of this house looking. Don't mind this little mess. Finishing touches to the harness. And then hopefully we're gonna get this bitch running today. Hey.
Oh, same check right now. Fuck, I'm not gonna show Brock this.
Hey, what's going on, guys? So it's currently Monday. As you saw in the previous clip, we got the truck running, or at least started up. It was on Wednesday of last week. So I'm currently at lunch. I'm on my way to the bank. I gotta pull out some money because the guy that did my harness, he should be done today. All right, guys, so I just got the money from the bank. I'm on my way back to work. So yeah, the guy was supposed to go in today. I'm sure he did because he's pretty good at, you know, being on time and whatnot. But he was going today so that way he could clean up the wiring a little bit, so that way it doesn't look like a total mess. You know, he's taping everything up, you know, just trying to make everything look as professional as he can. But he's gonna do a little bass tune, like I said, so that way I'm able to at least drive it. Because as you know, like I said before, I'm gonna take it for an exhaust and then I'm gonna take it for a tune. But the only thing is that I'm not gonna take it for a tune right away because I want to break in the motor. As you know, it's freshly rebuilt. I'll start recording as soon as I get to the shop, so that way you guys can see where the motor and the truck stand so far. But it's most likely going to be at the shop until I'm able to tow it to the exhaust place. Yeah, guys, that's the finished product. Right here, here's the harness. Shout out to my brother right there. He did all the work. Best mechanic in town, in Arizona. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I know, don't make fun of me. I know it sounds like shit for right now until I get the exhaust and the tune. But other than that, it came out pretty good. Heart transplant went well. And I'll catch you guys on the next. Late.